Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hello all, welcome to Kissan Tiffin Timetable Season 2. I am Pallavi and as you know, we are here to give you a brand new recipe for every school day. So today we are going to make a Mexican Uttapam. It's a very interesting and zingy, tangy twist on your regular Uttapam. So let's start and make Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin. So to start making Mexican Uttapam, we'll first make our Mexican salsa with lots of vegetables. Onions, this is soaked and boiled Rajma, corns and chopped bell peppers, chopped cabbage, cheese, chopped coriander and just a little bit of cumin powder, pinch of salt and pepper. And now Kissan Mexican Salsa. You know, Kissan Mexican Salsa is made with lovely, wonderful tomatoes and jalapenos. So it gives that authentic Mexican taste and makes an authentic Mexican salsa in just few minutes. We'll just mix it. So our delicious Mexican salsa is ready. Let's make Mexican Uttapam. So I have the dosa batter ready. It's just a regular dosa batter. Now I'm just going to warm the pan. Add just a little bit of oil. Now we'll make cute mini Uttapams. Now we'll just spoon in our Mexican salsa on top of Uttapam. Just load them with nice Mexican salsa. So my Uttapams are looking good. We'll just dab them with a little bit of oil. And now we are ready to flip them. There is very nice smell is coming from the Uttapam. I think they are ready. Let's take them out in a plate. So let's keep them aside and let them cool off just for a bit. Meanwhile, we pack our tiffin box. Pomegranate seeds and some raisins. Now we'll add our Mexican Uttapam. So there you go. From Mexico to your kids' tiffin box in just 10 to 15 minutes. I hope you liked the recipe. Do subscribe to India Food Network and I will be back again to show you how to make Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.